Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FedEx account, track and manage shipments step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type FedEx.com in the address bar and press enter. Look at the top right corner of the FedEx homepage. Click the sign up or login option. Choose login if you already have an account. On the login page, click on the username or user ID field. Enter your FedEx username or user ID carefully. Click on the password field. Type your password exactly as you created it, paying attention to capital letters. If you are on a personal device, you can check Remember Me to stay signed in. Click the login button to access your account. If you see a security prompt, complete the verification step shown on the screen. If you forgot your password, click Forgot User ID or Password. Enter the email address or details requested and follow the reset instructions. After logging in, find the tracking section on the home page or in the menu. Click Track to open the tracking page. Enter your tracking number in the tracking box. Click Track again to view the latest shipment status and delivery updates. To manage shipments, go to Shipping or Ship in the main navigation. Select Create a Shipment to prepare a new package and label. Fill in sender and recipient information exactly as it appears on addresses. Choose your package type, weight, and dimensions if requested. Pick a delivery service option and review the estimated delivery date. Confirm pickup or drop-off preferences based on your needs. Review all details on the final screen to avoid label or delivery errors. Click Submit or Create Label to generate your shipping label. To view past shipments, open your profile or shipment history section. Sign out when using a shared computer by clicking your account name and selecting Logout. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.